Hi, my name is Abdelrahman Sobh. Today I will introduce my science project for term 4. First, the star life cycle. We have nebula, protostar, main sequence star, red giant star, white dwarf star, black dwarf, super red giant, supernova, and black nova. First of all, what is a star? A star is a luminous ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, held together by its own gravity. Nuclear fusion reaction in its core supports the star against gravity and produce photons and heat, as well as small amounts of heavier elements. The Sun is the closest star to Earth. First stage is a nebula. A nebula is a giant cloud of dust and gas in space. Some nebula, more than one nebula, come from the gas and dust thrown out by explosion of dying stars, such as supernova. Other nebula are regions where new stars are beginning to form. Second stage is protostar. A protostar is a very young star that is still gathering mass from its parent molecule cloud. The protostellar phase is the earliest one in the process of stellar evolution. For a low mass star, it lasts about 500,000 years. Third, main sequence star. A main sequence star is any star that has a hot, dense core which fuses hydrogen into helium to produce energy. Most stars in the galaxy are main sequence stars, including Alpha Centauri A, Tau Ceti, and the Sun. Stars are formed by gravitational collapse of gas and dust from the interstellar medium. We have red giant star. A red giant is a luminous giant star or of low or intermediate mass in a late phase of stellar evolution. The outer atmosphere inflated and thinnest, making the radius large and the surface temperature around 5000 K or lower. Then, when the red giant star collapses, we have white dwarf. A white dwarf is what stars like the Sun become after they have exhausted their nuclear fuel. Near the end of its nuclear burning stage, this type of star expels most of its outer material, creating a planetary nebula. Only the hot core of the star remains. After the white dwarf star, we have the black dwarf. A black dwarf is a spherical stellar remnant, specifically a white dwarf that has cooled sufficiently to no longer emit significant heat or light. And we have another section, super red giant. A super red giant is an aging giant star that has consumed its core's supply of hydrogen fuel. Helium has accumulated in the core, and hydrogen is now undergoing nuclear fission in outer shells. After super red giant collapse, we have supernova. A supernova is a powerful and luminous explosion of a star. Supernova occurs during the last evolutionary stages of a massive star or when a white dwarf is triggered into runaway nuclear fusion. After the supernova collapse, we have black hole. A black hole is a region of space-time or gravity so strong that nothing, including light or other electromagnetic waves, has enough energy to escape it. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass can deform space-time to form a black hole. Thank you for watching.